Hello everyone! Imagine you need to organize the annotation process in the team of medical professionals specializing in examining human body tissues and finding tumors in 3D MRI scans. Supervisely provides annotation tools for 3D medical volumes and can be used in combination with 3D Slicer to cover even challenging production requirements. Often, in addition to annotation, it is required to have collaboration tools such as distributed labeling tasks, multi-level review, annotation performance metrics, and many more. These collaboration tools are essential to get accurate training datasets at scale and secure. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use full-stack computer vision platform Supervisely in combination with 3D Slicer to organize efficient annotation of 3D medical volumes among the team of medical specialists. Let's create a new project and import data with the new import manager. Write down the name and choose project type. I have already prepared the icon volume files. Now just drag and drop them and import process will start automatically. The final project consists of computed tomography chest images. For the following annotation process, we need to add classes and tags. The default 3D mask shape is ideal for annotating 3D objects. We'll add severity tag to describe the tumor grade and side tag to indicate the lung side. Left, right. On our platform, users organized into teams can have different roles and create workspace to organize data. Now I'll add a couple of specialists to our team. Radiologist Bob will be the first as annotator. The second one will be radiologist Sam, who will review Bob's work. Invites have been emailed. Once accepted, they will become active team members. Now I'll create a labeling job with a minimal configuration set. If you want to know everything about how labeling jobs work, we have a special tutorial video for that. So I added title and description for this job. Next, select specialists for their respective roles. Select the required project. It's not necessary to select that sets if we have only one or need all of them. We don't need to change anything else. The tags and classes are already selected. Now we'll log into annotator's account and start the work on this job. Remember from the description that we need to annotate lung with a tumor. For this, we will use Smart Tool. With the AI help, it allows us to create an accurate 3D annotation. Set the location of the object with a box and mark it with positive point. Then switch between slices. The neural network will do its job. It seems I made a mistake in the markup, and to avoid editing each slice, we'll use 3D editing in 3D Slicer. We already installed the ConnectToSupervisely extension. Let's open annotation module for labeling jobs. You see the extension is the main panel because it was added here in the application settings. We need to log into the server as an annotator to get access to labeling jobs in this mode. Choose a team and the necessary job. Clicking on Start Labeling will download the data from the server to the local folder specified in Settings. Select the volume and it will be immediately loaded into the scene. In this step, we have a list of tags that we can add to selected volume. Go to the data model to see which annotation classes we have. Let's go to the segment editor module to start fixing the annotation. You can read about how classes and objects are organized in the extension in blog post. As you can see, I've also annotated trachea. Now I need to remove it. 3D editing is on, choose the erase tool, and start removing trachea. The annotation is fixed. Now we move on to add text. The logical step would be to save results and synchronize it with the server. Next, I'm gonna annotate tumor. To do this, we need to add a new segment for each segmentation. By the way, there is an option in the settings that uses flags in segments during autosave. Read more about this in blog post. We can leave the default segment name. Synchronizing with the server, it will be automatically renamed with the class name. Now let's label the tumor. But let's do it by imaging its location without reference to volume, just for illustrative purposes. Once we examined and labeled the tumor, we can grade it with the tag. I will label it with grade 2. Save changes again, just in case. We can finalize our work as annotator right here with these two buttons. But let's go back to Supervisely and see how it works here. We confirm that the work on this particular volume has been completed. All the volumes and generally all the work have been done, and we can submit it for inspection by clicking on Submit Job button. Let's switch to reviewer Sam and see how the process looks like for his role. We can see the task is under review. The reviewer has an opportunity to see the annotation statistics, terminate the task, and restart it again. Go back to 3D Slicer to see reviewing module. This model is basically the same as annotation model. As a reviewer, I can accept or reject completed job. In this example, I will accept results. The review is complete, and I'm finishing the labeling job with appropriate status. Go back to Supervisely to make sure that everything is done. In this video, we've seen how two powerful platforms work together, and we've become familiarized with the extension user interface. This technical solution has great potential and may continue to evolve as needed. Write in the comments what you think. It's important for us to get feedback from our users in order to constantly improve our products. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.